Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited guys because I am co-hosting a very creative and talented friend of mine, Miss Crystal from the Crafty Crate. Guys, if you haven't connected to her yet, please go and visit her channel because she does amazing DIYs. I will link down her channel into my description box, so please go and visit her. With that said, let's start our project. So I got all these rolls from a masking tape. You know the masking tape, when you finish it, they have these rolls. And now I have also this leftover contact paper. So I'm going to use all of this to make an organizer. So what I'm trying to do here is measuring this rolls, yes, or cardboard rolls, and then cut it based on the size, as you can see guys. And then we have to stick this inside these rolls, and I have to do all of this inside, all this I think 8 pieces of this cardboard rolls, as you can see, so that it doesn't show that it's made of cardboard. I don't really have that much of this contact paper, so I just gonna make as much as I could. And now I'm tracing all this into this cardboard from a newspaper calendar, right? And then I'm gonna cut based on the size after I traced it, as you can see, because we have to stick all these rolls later on. But as you can see guys, I just try to cover the inside part, right? But we have to cover also the outside because I don't want to make it look like it's just made of cardboard. So after we do cut this, we have to cover those cardboard rolls. As you can see, now it's done. And I have another leftover contact paper, as you can see guys. So I'm going to cut based also onto the size. These are all very old guys. Even before I have my channel, I got all this already. So anyway, I'm just cutting it based on the size of these rolls, cardboard rolls. And then I'm going to cover it. As you can see, I'm covering it. Like all of this, we're gonna cover it. All of this. As you can see, to make it look better, I'm just cutting the edges so that I can fold it, as you can see, to have a neater finishing. And I do the same with all the rolls. We have to cover all of them. And now we have to do the same with the base. As you can see, I traced it based onto the shape of this base where we're gonna stick all those rolls, because we don't want to be really shows that it's all made of cardboard and calendar paper. Okay, I'm just cutting this contact paper so I can stick it. And now let's glue all this cardboard or these rolls into this base so that they can stick together and make it as our organizer, as you can see guys. And the reason why I have to use a glue gun so that it can stick together and it doesn't move, as you can see. There you go. And done. That's it. And this is the look of our, we have to stick it all first together, make sure that they stick together, and this is the outcome guys. And I've used it where to put all my lipstick and all my bits and pieces guys. You see, I'm really pleased with the outcome, so this is our Trust to Treasure, and I'm going to have another one after I show you this. I'm really pleased with it guys. And project number 2 is made of glass jars, as usual guys. Again, these are all from my kitchen, from glass jars of some spaghetti sauce or, you know, any sauce that I have. I just clean up all those glass jars, and now I'm painting it with cream color. Is this a cream color? Yeah, it's like off-white. I kind of like this color, guys. So I wanted to make kind of how do you call that, a farmhouse, and this is the outcome after it dried up. And now we are going to put some twine to make it more rustic farmhouse kind of look. Okay, so I'm using my twine again, guys. I'm just you know, rolling it around, wrapping it around, I mean, a few times, and then make a bow, and that's it. It's nice and simple. Again, guys, we don't have to spend so much money to make our home beautiful. We can just find everything in the kitchen, and that's it. As you can see, I'm just wrap it around, make a bow, and that's it. You see? Nice and easy. See? Just do it like this. And it's all done. Let's put some flowers on it. And we will see. And this is the outcome, guys. Isn't that pretty? It's just, again, like what I said, it's just our trash from our kitchen. And we can make a big or beautiful decorations out of it. I'm really pleased with all the outcome of this project. What do you think, guys? You see, from trash into a very beautiful decorations. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how I turn my trash into a treasure. Thank you also to our hosts and of course my beloved subscribers and supporters. And if you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for your visit. Take care and God bless.